Question number 10. There are two types of fertilizers, F1 and F2. F1 consists of 10% nitrogen and 6% phosphoric acid. And F2 consists of 5% nitrogen and 10% phosphoric acid. After testing the soil conditions, a farmer finds that she needs at least 14 kg of nitrogen and 14 kg of phosphoric acid for her crop. If F1 costs rupees 6 per kg and F2 costs rupees 5 per kg, determine how much of each type of fertilizer should be used so that nutrient requirements are met at a minimum cost. What is the minimum cost? Let the gardener uses X kg of fertilizers of type F1 and Y kg of type F2. Clearly, X and Y both will be greater than or equal to 0. Let us make the following table from the given data. Fertilizer, type of fertilizers F1, type F2, requirements. Nitrogen content in terms of kg, phosphoric acid content in kg, cost rupees per kg. Fertilizer of type F1 contains 10% nitrogen and 6% phosphoric acid. Type F2 contains 5% nitrogen and 10% phosphoric acid. Requirement: at least 14 kg of nitrogen content and at least 14% phosphoric acid. Cost per kg of type F1 is 6. Cost of type F2 per kg is rupees 5. Mathematical formulation of the problem is minimize z is equal to 6x plus 5y subject to the constraints 10% of x plus 5% of y is greater than or equal to 14 because they have given at least 14. This implies after simplification we will get 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 280. Next, phosphoric content 6% of x plus 10% of y must be greater than or equal to 14. That implies after simplification we will get 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 700. Obviously, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Let us consider inequalities. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 280. 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 700. X comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Corresponding equations are 2x plus y is equal to 280. When x is 0, y is equal to 280. When y is 0, x is equal to 140. Second equation corresponding to inequality 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 700 is 3x plus 5y is equal to 700. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 140. When x is equal to 100, y is equal to 80. Mark the points which we have got from two equations. Through these points, draw lines. Now we have got common reasons. Take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, inequality 2x plus y is greater than 280 gives 0 is greater than 280. This is not true. Therefore, origin is not the solution of that inequality. Similarly, when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, second inequality gives 0 is greater than 700, which is not true. Therefore, origin is not the solution of that inequality. So, for both the lines, we should shade above the lines. Then we are going to get a common portion as shown in figure. So, which are the corner points? Points with coordinates 0 to 180, 180, 700 by 3, 0. Here directly we will find difficult to get this point. So what we supposed to do? Substitute y is equal to 0 in equation 3x plus 5y is equal to 700. Then we will get x 700 by 3. The dark shaded region is the feasible region and it is unbounded. Corner points and z is equal to 6x plus 5y. Corner points are points with coordinates 0 to 180, 180, 700 by 3, 0. Corresponding values of z are 1400, 1000, 1400. Among these, minimum value is 1000. On the basis of this itself, we cannot decide whether we are going to get a minimum value or not, because the feasible region is unbounded. Consider the inequality 6x plus 5y is less than minimum value, that is 1000. Equation corresponding to this inequality is 6x plus 5y is equal to 1000. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 200. When x is equal to 100, y is equal to 80. 1 point with coordinates 180 already existing, and just have to mark a point with coordinates 0 to 100. Through these 2 points, draw a dotted line. When x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, we will get 0 is less than 1000, which is true. Therefore, origin is the solution of half plane 6x plus 5y is less than 1000. Therefore, we supposed to set below that dotted line. Now observe whether we have any common point between feasible region and half plane 6x plus 5y is less than 1000. From figure, it is very clear half plane 6x plus 5y is less than 1000 and feasible region, they do not have any common point. Hence, minimum value of z is 1000 at point with coordinates 180. From the coordinates of the point where we have got the minimum value, we will get 100 kg of fertilizer F1 and 80 kg of fertilizer F2 should be used. Minimum cost is equal to rupees 1000. Question number 11. The corner points of the feasible region determined by the following system of linear inequalities: 2x plus y is less than or equal to 10, x plus 3y is less than or equal to 15, x comma y greater than or equal to 0 are points with coordinates 0, 0, 5, 0, 3, 4 and 0, 5. Let z is equal to px plus qy, where p, q are positive. Condition on p and q so that the maximum of z occurs at both points with coordinates 3, 4 and 0, 5 is option A, p is equal to q, option B, p is equal to 2q, option C, p is equal to 3q, option D, q is equal to 3p. This year we may get this type of examples for the term 1 exam. Solution. Since z is maximum at both points with coordinates 3, 4 and 0, 5, therefore z is equal to 3p plus 4q, say number 1, when you take x equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, we will get z is equal to 3p plus 4q. When you substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5 in z is equal to px plus qy, we get z is equal to 5q, say number 2. Both are z values. Then we can equate equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 3p plus 4q is equal to 5q. This implies 3p is equal to q, that is q is equal to 3p. Therefore, correct option is D. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 12. Question number 3. A dietitian wishes to mix together two kinds of food, X and Y, in such a way that the mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A, 12 units of vitamin B, and 8 units of vitamin C. The vitamin contents of 1 kg food is given below. Food X contains 1 units of vitamin A, 2 units of vitamin B, and 3 units of vitamin C. Food Y contains 2 units of vitamin A, 2 units of vitamin B, and 1 unit of vitamin C. 1 kg of food X cost rupees 16 and 1 kg of food Y costs rupees 20. Find the least cost of the mixture which will produce the required diet. Solution. Let the mixture contain X kg of food X and Y kg of food Y. Obviously, X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. Mathematical formulation of the given data is minimize, means we should minimize cost. Minimize z is equal to 16x plus 20y subject to the constraints x plus 2y, that is vitamin A content, is greater than or equal to 10. Why we are taking greater than or equal to 10? Because they have told mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A. Similarly, content of vitamin B, 2x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 12, and vitamin C content, that is 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. X comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Let us graph the above inequalities. Consider the inequalities x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10, 2x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 12. If you want, you can simplify that, that is x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. Third one, 3x plus y is greater than or equal to 8, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. corresponding equations are x plus 2y is equal to 10 from first inequality. When x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 5. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Equation from second inequality is 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. Corresponding equation of third inequality is 3x plus y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Observe here, why we have chosen x is equal to 2 or y is equal to 2. We have to take y is equal to 0. If you take y is equal to 0 means what happens? We will get x is equal to 8 by 3. So it is difficult for us to mark a point on the graph paper. That is the reason why we have taken different value of y other than 0. So we have got 6 points. Mark them and throw those 2 points of respective equations. You can mark and then draw a line through those points. Through these 2 points, draw a line. Mark other 2 points which we have got from second equation. Through these 2 points, draw a line, and 2 more points we have got from equation 3. Mark them. Through these 2 points, draw a line. Now we should decide feasible reason. When you substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in inequality x plus 2y is greater than 10, we get 0 is greater than 10, which is not true. Therefore, origin is not the solution of inequality 2x plus x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. So, we should shade above the line x plus 2y is equal to 10. Substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in second inequality, that is 2x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 12, we get 0 is greater than 12, which is not true. Again, origin is not the solution of a half plane. 2x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 12. Similarly, when you substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in third inequality, again we will get 0 is greater than 8, which is not true. Therefore, for all the lines, we should shade above those lines. Then common portion which we are going to get is as shown in figure. Yes, we can identify corner points A with coordinates 10, 0, B with coordinates 2, 4, C with coordinates 1, 5, and D with coordinates 0, 8. From these corner points, we supposed to find values of Z. The dark shaded region is the feasible region and it is unbounded. Corner points and Z is equal to 16x plus 20y. When x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8, Z is equal to 160. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, Z is equal to 116. When x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, Z is equal to 112. When x is equal to 10, y is equal to 0, then Z is equal to 160. Among these four values, 112 is minimum. So, the shaded region or feasible region is unbounded. And also we have got minimum value 112. So, we supposed to draw the graph of inequality 16x plus 20y is less than 112. 16x plus 20y is less than 112. That is 4x plus 5y is less than 28. Corresponding equation is 4x plus 5y is equal to 28. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 7 or y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. One point already existing, that is B. Just have to mark another point with coordinates 7, 0. Throw points with coordinates 2, 4 and 7, 0. Draw a dotted line. When you substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, inequality implies 0 is less than 28, which is true. Therefore, to get graph of half plane 4x plus 5y is less than 28, we should shade below that dotted line. Yes, is there any common point between half plane 4x plus 5y is less than 28 and feasible region? Half plane 4x plus 5y is less than 28 has no common point in feasible region. Therefore, minimum value of z is 112, yet the point with coordinates 2, 4. Hence, the least cost of the mixture is rupees 100 ton.